Kaka-23 na BPSF na tayo, no? Isang patunay ito na ang ating administrasyon under the BBM administration at siyempre dito sa mababang kapulungan under the leadership of our Speaker has made it true to their has made the delivery of public service to the people hanggang sa baba. So ito yung sinasabing bringing the government closer to the people. And perhaps no other way to manifest this by bringing all these funds and services down to the grassroots level. First time ito nangyari sa ating bansa. At ito ay napakagandang idea na ipinatupad, no, ng ating Speaker at ng ating mahal na Presidente. Dahil nga nakita natin na kailangan maramdaman ng ating mga kababayan, lalong-lalo na yung nasa laylayan ng lipunan, kung tawagin, na merong gobyernong tumitingin sa kanila at nagmamahal sa kanila. And this is the best manifestation of the adage or the maxim that says bringing the government closer to the people. Ito ho yun.